In Printful, there's another feature where you can create social media posts with animation if you like, or just plain image, similar to what you do in Canva or other design tool for social media posts. Let's see how to use it, and then I'll share my thoughts about it. To access a promo tool, click on the left menu, then select More, and click on Promo. Another way to get there is by clicking on Templates and then selecting the three dots on the templates of the product. You'll see the promo option there. Now go to the Promo tab. Once you're there, you'll see some design options that Printful has created for you. You can click on any of them, or you can scroll down, choose the size of the promo you'd like to create and start fresh. I will choose a template because this is just a demo for you. When I click on one of the designs, I can change whatever I like. The editor is the same as the one used to create any other designs in Printful. On the left side, you can see all the layers and elements you can modify. The left menu also has options to add more designs. Since I've gone through this design tool in detail in other videos, which I link in the description, I'll just briefly look at the tools available here. For each layer, you can adjust its position, either moving it to the back or bringing it to the front. When you click on an element, a top menu appears, showing options specific to that element. The option depends on the type of element. For text, you can change many details, while for uploaded images or clip art, you can only adjust their position or crop them. In the left menu, you have options to upload images, create text, add clip art, and use the fill tool. These are the same as in the design tool for creating products or mockups. However, there are two new features here. First, there is a tab for adding mockups. Second, you have the option to add animation to elements. Starting with mockups, you'll see general mockups for every template. Search for the template you want to use. Here you only see the templates you created. If you want to use a product from your store that isn't a template, you need to go to your store, click on the product, create a template, and then you can use it in the promo tab. To do this, go to your store before you start designing. If you forgot, you can open a new tab and do it there. If you don't see it in the list, refresh the tab. You can save the promo first and then go back to continue editing it later. After choosing the template, you'll get a few mockups options to use in the promo. Pick the one you like, and it will generate the design on the product if it doesn't show up in the preview. Then position the mockup on the promo wherever you like. For the animation, when you click on any element, you'll see an option at the top to animate it. You can choose the animation you want to add to the promo. It only affects one element at a time, and all the animated elements will appear simultaneously. At the bottom, there's an option to preview the animation. When you're done, you can save and download your work. This takes you back to the main promo page. You can click on the second tab to view your saved promos. If it's just an image, you can click on the three dots to download it. If you want to see the video with the animation, click the View button. From there, you will have two download options: add a video or add an image. You can also edit a promo from here, delete it or duplicate it. You can't search for the promo by name, but you can search by the size of the promo. After you download it, you can upload it to any social media you like. If you use Printful templates, it's a good idea to change their colors and some elements so it doesn't look like all the other lazy people who use them as is. Also, it's a good idea to be consistent with the colors, and you can add your logo if you have one for your brand. And what are my thoughts about this option on Printful? This is very unique to them. I didn't find it in other tools, but you can never know, maybe others will copy them. If you're not using an easy tool to create designs like Canva, you can definitely use this tool to help you create the promo fast. It's not the most flexible tool, but it does its job. And the fact that you don't need to generate the mockup before you design saves time. Also, it's a free tool you can use for any other print-on-demand product as long as you have the mockup ready to use from other websites. If you like to see how to use all the features in the design tool, watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.